today we are going to see about the psychological aspects of each chakra, and after this video you can get to know which is your dominant chakra. We all have something called the energy body. This extends beyond our physical body. Chakras are concentrated points of energy in the energy body where major energy flow takes place. By reading the chakras, we can understand one's personality, thought patterns, and their strengths and weaknesses. Hence, by healing our chakras, we can also heal these patterns in our body, and these weaknesses can be healed. The first chakra is the root chakra, and this sits at the base of your spine. It is the center of your stability or protection, and how safe you feel with your life is determined by this chakra. Root chakra people are generally able to manifest things in the physical world and are good with finances. These are the people of manifestation and the people who take action for their goals. Root chakra people also come across as generally confident and dynamic people and who are really very grounded. These people who are very practical, and these are the people you turn to when you want to get something done. When you have a blocked root chakra, you might feel anxious, dizzy, and insecure. You might even not have a job or a proper finances. You tend to get tired often, or you feel very low in energy. You also tend to procrastinate working on your projects or goals. The next chakra is the sex chakra. The sex chakra is located at the center of your reproductive organs and it corresponds to the feminine energy in your physical body. People with strong sex chakras are sensual and they love to enjoy life. They love to form intimate and deep relationships and they make you feel special. This chakra deals with emotions and these people love to connect emotionally with whatever they do. This is also the physical creative center, and people with a strong sex chakra also show creativity in whatever they do. When you have a blocked sex chakra, you have a tendency to blame yourselves or have self guilt. You have a loss of interest in pursuing your passions or may have a low sexual drive. The next chakra is the solar plexus chakra, and this is located at the center of your lower ribs, and it deals with all your lower emotions like anger, grief, irritability, and stress. Solar plexus chakra people are determined, goal oriented, and competitive people who are out to achieve success in life. These are the people at the top of the corporate ladder, entrepreneurs, and the top CEOs who are driven and want to make it to the top of the ladder to achieve success in their life. The element of the solar plexus chakra is fire and is related to the masculine energy of your emotional body. When you have a blocked solar plexus chakra, you might get a feeling that you cannot succeed in life or you lack the drive to pursue your goals. Also, you might have a lack of emotional stability. Next is your heart chakra, and it is the center of all your higher emotions like happiness, joy, inner peace, and love and forgiveness. A person with a strong heart chakra loves to give to people and is usually very caring and loving towards others. They usually have very good relationships with the people around them and go out of their way to help others and sacrifice for them. When you have a strong heart chakra, also helps to balance self-love with love and consideration for others. When you have a blocked heart chakra, you might even feel unable to forgive others and might have some major relationship issues. The throat chakra is the center of communication and is associated with communication, truth, and self expression. When the throat chakra is balanced, a person is able to speak out his personal truth with ease. However, when a person can't express his truth due to fear of someone's rejection or conflict, they block this chakra. People with strong throat chakras are usually good inspirational leaders, singers, writers, or anyone involved in the creative arts. They also love their freedom so much, so they are mostly entrepreneurs or someone who manages their own work. When you have a blocked throat chakra, the best way to heal yourself is to express yourself through journaling or through any other creative art. People with blocked throat chakras are usually aggressive or very shy. they may also be prone to excessive criticism. Agnya Chakra is the chakra located between the eyes. It is the chakra related to intuition, insight, and imagination. The energy of Agnya Chakra helps us to access our inner guidance that comes from the depth of our being. It helps in seeing and understanding the deeper meaning of our lives. When you have a strong Agnya Chakra, you are a fair person and may be even obsessed with justice and fairness. You are a good listener and a counselor, and you follow your intuition. When you have a blocked Agnya Chakra, you might lose concentration and focus often, and you have an inability to make decisions. You might also have hallucinations or disconnect. The crown chakra is the highest chakra at the top of your head and has 1,000 petals or the Sahasrara. When our consciousness is merged with the crown chakra, we feel spiritual oneness and love for all. Crown chakra can be activated to the heart or through prayer, meditation, and any spiritual activity. Crown chakra people are very rare to find. These are people who have devoted their entire life to spirituality. They are usually saints, or they could also be some other people serving the nation as a scientist, leader, etc. When you have a blocked crown chakra, you have a lack of faith in God and unwillingness to open to others' ideas. You feel disconnected also from your body. And that brings us to the end of the chakras. Do let us know how you liked the video and comment your dominant chakra in the comments below. To help you find your dominant chakra, we have also made a chakral quiz, the link for which is given in the description below. If you're watching this video, feel free to also download a free chakral handbook through the given links. Thank you.